Hi and welcome everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change language on AliExpress. So let's open AliExpress. Wait for an advertisement. Okay, so in the beginning you have to go into your account and then click on that gear icon representing settings in the top right corner. As you can see, there's an option called language. Click on it and then choose any language that you would like. For example, Polish. Now we have to wait for a short while, and as you can see, our application language has changed. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.